What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use your Walmart WIC card on your Walmart account. So here I have the Walmart webpage opened and I'm signed in with my account, as you can see here. Now the WIC card looks something like this, a card with a number on it, similar to a number on a credit or a debit card. Now once you have your WIC card here, what you want to do is go here to your account, click on where it says account at the top right, and then click on account once again. And from here you want to click on settings here next to your name, and then you can click here on gift card under wallet to add your WIC card as a gift card. So click on gift card and then click on gift card once again, and here you will need to add your card number, which is the number on your WIC card. Of course this is just an example image. And then enter the PIN or 4 digits PIN and the gift card nickname, and then save card. And this way the WIC card will be saved and you can use it on your Walmart account.